not the smartest. Who cares if you're really not the coolest anyway? Doesn't matter anyway. I follow my dreams and believe in the target. Friends and family, cause home is where the heart is. Every day I see you every day. Just know that you can be anything you want. Anything you want. I did this for me and my Bambino.